Good morning. This is a tips for cold and cough remedy. Boil 6 cloves, 2 cups of water. I already drink 1 cup. And small pinch of turmeric. Boil it together and let it sit in a cup and drink it as a form of tea. Here what I have is that I squeeze in lemon, fresh lemon, or just a liquid lemon, whatever you have. 2 garlic and a piece of ginger. Squeeze it out with this squeezer. You can get it from Amazon, Home Sense, Walmart. That's where I got it. And you need a black pepper and honey. So when you add the lemon, the ginger, and the garlic all in a cup, warm it up in a microwave. And the last step, after you warm it up, you put it a big spoon of honey, full spoon, and pinch of pepper, black pepper, and the kalonji. Add together in the last step. Consume it, empty stomach, early in the morning before breakfast, 10 minutes before breakfast, and also use it nighttime before you go to bed. That's the best remedy. This one, you can drink it as a form of a tea throughout the day, and that's it. Hope that helps. Thank you.